Is this going to be some naive Marxist bullshit again?
Yeah, I guess so.
The reaction you have against capital is as strong as someone who supports it. You are just as disengaged as someone who is engaged.
You say that as if there were an option, but the unbreakable nature of the shackles does not invalidate the resistance against it.
Is this all you are capable of? Whining? Oh wait, that too is because of capital, isn't it? You'd save all of us great amount of time if you would cry out tears and not words.
Oh, fuck you. See, the difference between you and I is that I accept the criticisms you have against me because I recognize that a critique of an idea is just as honest a testimony of its existence as its praise. But the only difference is that you don't accept that.
Get over it. If you don't, it will get over you. Either way, you are going down under.
Well, I already am.
If that was the case, you would have stopped whining ages ago.
You do realize that your acceptance of capital is... It doesn't come out of clarity, but rather the lack of it. You know, we embrace it not because we know it, but because we don't. We close our eyes before the doors of darkness because we want to hold on to it, because we know we can't escape it.
Every generation thinks that they are generation zero. The ones that are pure and without the scars of past. They think and demand a world that is devoid of history. A world which is as newly born as they are. A world which can be ideal and as is. But guess what? This ain't that planet. History precedes all. We must accept, adapt, or perish. Your whining is just white noise in the vacuum of history.
How do you ever wish to comfort anyone with your words?
I don't.
So is this all just a joke to you? A dollhouse of redundant emotions?
You're drifting away.
I mean, I get it though. I get why you are the way you are and why you can't accept me the way I am. But I can't deny it, this freedom you speak of. We weren't born with wings. We were born in leashes. We can do everything, but only until it's too important. You see, the futility of my rage is maybe, and I might not be cohesive in this, but I still feel it's way less futile than the futility of your moral compass. There never was any money without humans. But now you ask me, can there be humans without money? A completely unsolicited, ambiguous, internally doomed token system, completely consuming the greatest gift of evolution, which is our goddamn consciousness, and you say, I have a tragic, whiny existence?
Scream into the voids. Debate against the walls. What a pathetic choice for decaying in time. At least we both know that there is no meeting point here. Maybe that's the only thing we agree on.
Didn't we come here to discuss how money makes us feel?
Didn't we do that last time?
Yeah. Yeah, we always have.